Got my epoxy here. I got it from West Palm Beach, Florida, back when I lived in Florida. That was an awesome place. I wish they had a store right here in Raleigh. You go in there and get everything you need for your epoxy stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some wood flour, which all it is little fine sawdust. But I'm going to mix some of that with. Alright, went and found a Gatorade bottle. What I'm going to use is this cap here for my measuring thing. I used to have pumps on these things, but by moving from here to Florida, they had broken. And they are awesome. So I'm going to definitely get me another set of this stuff. And I know they ship around the world, so shout out to you guys over there at US Composites. So the pot life on this thing is about 35-45 minutes. So that's how long you have to work with it. So when I'm doing something small like this. Alright, now I'm going to add the wood flour. What I want the consistency to be like peanut butter. So just add in a little bit of flour there. Got these little things here, the paddles. What I'm going to do is just scrape that stuff in there and then go from there. Get it in those cracks that aren't that good. So I'll bring this thing over there in a second and get this stuff put in there. Awesome. I am really happy with the way this thing's turning out now. Bring it over there, show you. I'm just filling in all the cracks and holes. So. But there's really nothing to be nervous about, especially anything woodworking. I don't think you should be nervous woodworking. I mean, get nervous around the tools and stuff like that, but got some high spots, like right there. That's where there's one of the bad spots there. So, and then also up front that we kind of left high. Now this sanded off, so everything else kind of filled in real well. So what we'll do is just go around, kind of knock off. All right, so the epoxy had time to dry. It's hard as a rock here. And I got these little burrs we got to take off here. Then that spot, I kind of took a little bit of a sand into it. I was like, well, let me make sure I get this videoed. So, but it's solid as can be. So you can kind of see the way the wood's gonna look after we're done doing this. So really impressed so far. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the board build. Got the sander here. We are just finished up doing the epoxy. I got a little bit there. I started and I was like, well, maybe I should record this. I also drew out these little curves here on each side that I'm going to put the sander to and go ahead and round those out. Give that a little bit of a feature, and then just shave off all these hard epoxy spots. But that epoxy filled in really nice. So this side was the pine side, and that pine just went right through that sand. You know, the sandpaper went right through the pine. On this side it's oak, and it is not going through, so we're gonna have to get the jigsaw out and do that. So what we'll do, we'll grab the jigsaw and just trim that out and then do the finishing sanding with it. That oak is tough stuff. so that made it a little clearer right there. We're going to put it back through the router table, get those edges rounded over again. Alright, that's starting to look pretty cool. Could probably go more, but that's what I'm going to stick with. I'm liking it. So, see the round over. That thing is worth every penny. It doesn't cost a lot of money to get these things. Like I said, I got that thing for $10 at the pawn shop. The table was expensive, but that was my birthday present, so I went out and splurged on that. But you can get router tables off Craigslist or anything you need. Just go find it. So get out there and build something. Palm sander here. Go ahead, 120. Coat that whole thing down, and we'll put another coat of epoxy on it. So we'll go ahead and do that. I got a plan. I need to build a sanding table. I've seen those people put a bunch of holes in it. It's kind of downdraft table or something like that. It would definitely be good, because even with the dust collection system on there, you've seen the dust cloud that comes from this stuff. So that'll be one of my next projects, is getting that built. I want to build a nice little sanding table and everything like that. So duty calls. Sanded 120. I'll wipe it down. Get some epoxy on there. Make it awesome. Gonna set up my station here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some screws down. I'll sit right on there. Alright, got the epoxy, got the solo cut. Alright, 3-to-1 ratio, one the hardener, which is this. Let's drip some on there. And let's take this thing and make sure it's cleaned off. You don't want to get any dust, and then we're just going to smooth it out. Let's flip it over. And then we'll dump. If you have a better tip or whatever, let me know. So, hey everybody. So, Amazon just came. Got this and want to do an open box on this. We got trucks. And we got some awesome wheels. All this came from Amazon, 27 bucks. We got riser pads. Super awesome green. These are really pliable rubber ones. It comes with the bearings here, pre-lubricated ABCE. What is it? ABEC 7 bearings and spacers. And then we got that awesome thing. So I need to do some research and find out which way they go, but this is going to be awesome and epic. There we go. Yeah. So, all for $27 on Amazon. Can't beat it. Alright, so we got the drill press set up. Got the holes marked. Now we're going to drill it. Alright, then I just finished it off with the bit to countersink those things in a little bit. Holes are done. Now we'll go take this thing inside and we'll put the trucks on.